you can easily switch the underlying AI model directly inside the Claude Code terminal interface. Before you begin, make sure you have the terminal tool installed and your account properly authenticated. Type a / into the command prompt to open the autocomplete menu. Type a M to narrow the list down. Add O to the query. Finish typing the word model. Take a quick moment to like this video if you find these tips helpful. Press Enter to run the /model command. The panel explains that your chosen model will become the default for all new sessions. You will see a list of available models suited for different tasks, ranging from efficient routine work to complex reasoning. Choose the model that fits your current project requirements and performance needs. The terminal immediately confirms the new default model has been successfully saved. You can also adjust speed settings to optimize how your tasks run. Start typing the /fast command into the prompt. Add the letter A to the command. Complete the word fast. Press Enter to execute the command. An overlay appears explaining high-speed mode details and credit usage rates. Press the Tab key to toggle the feature on. Press Enter to confirm your selection and close the pop-up. You are all set to work with your updated configuration. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to subscribe for more coding workflow tips.